好，咁咧我哋繼續啦。我哋咧就係、會去到第6同埋第7條啊。咁咧其實咧你會見到咧佢都會好興咧有呢一種類型嘅題目㗎，即係會叫話俾一個 information 嚟啦，但係要你答2條題目嘅。咁就千祈唔使驚啦，但係咧你要留意乜嘢咧？就係放呢一啲題目你要記得啦，佢咧係有連貫性嘅，係啦。咁最主要就係你要知道啦，如果佢要你睇一個 information 答2條題目嘅話咧，你記得啦，呢2條題目咧係可能有關係啦，或者係要 refer 緊同一個資料嘅。咁呢個少少 bear in mind 啦，係咪？好啦，好啦，我哋咧就睇一睇呢個題目啦。佢話 A school is a production unit 啦，which provides educational service. The following are people and objects that are usually found at school. 咁咧，咁佢就即係俾你睇咗，就係一間學校咧，正路咧係會有啲乜嘢嘅一啲設施又好啊，或者係一啲嘢啦，係咪？我哋會見到啦，有 school building 啦，有 teachers 啦，有 students 啦，有 private cars owned by teachers 啦，有好多嘢噶嘛。咁咧，佢咧就話咗俾你聽，有以上咁多嘢。咁好明顯啦，就係啲咩咧？呢啲咧就係個 a piece of information。咁第6、第7條你都要 refer 佢嘅。好啦，咁我哋睇一睇先啦。第一個 which of the above items are capital of the school 咁樣。好啦，咁咧其實嗱都係嗰句啦，我重複強調，先 definition 啦，然後咧你再咧係 scenario， 係啦。咁我哋睇一睇啦，佢話 which of the following item 咧係capital of the school 啊嘛。咁咧我哋首先啦要睇一睇個 definition 啲乜嘢咧，就係咩叫 capital？What is the definition of capital 咧？咁呢一個咧我哋會 bear in mind，我哋要知道咧 capital 就係一個 man-made 嘅 resources 啦，used in production process 啊嘛。係啦，咁所以咧 teachers 啊 students 啊呢啲會唔會係啊 teachers 好明顯唔係一個 man-made 嘅 resources 啦，係咪？咁所以啦 by elimination 咧冇咗呢一個2啦，冇2啦，咁會唔會有3啊？都唔會有3啦，係咪？好啦，我哋就睇下 remaining option 喎。首先咧，你見到咧剩低嘅每一個 option 咧都會有1噶嘛，係咪？咁即係證明1咧一定啱啊，咁所以我哋係唔需要睇嘅。咁咧我哋咧就會見到4同埋5啊，咁咧一係4，一係5，一係4同5都有。嗱，呢個咧就係你睇題目時候咧，你需要 bear in mind 嘅嘢啦，就係點樣去到 analyze 啲 option 嘅一啲譬如話佢點解要咁樣排啊等等嘅。咁咧我哋見到啦，我哋睇下4啦，4就話 private cars owned by teachers。5咧就係話洗手液啦 in the toilet。咁咧5咧一定係噶啦，因為佢又係 man-made resources 啦，佢又係 used in the production process 噶嘛。好啦，咁點樣睇4係定唔係啊？咁樣就係咧，我哋要知道啦，因為咧我哋有一個 production unit 係學校啊嘛，咁學校係 provide educational services 噶嘛。好啦，咁如果係間學校，我想問下你呢個學生，你有冇機會可以坐到阿 Sir 架車啊？冇乜啦，係咪？因為其實咧，我哋會知道啦，架車咧就係一啲 private capital 啦，咁咧就係一啲老師咧係擁有嘅，咁其實就同咧我哋學生咧係冇乜關係嘅，咁所以我哋好明顯咧，我哋就會查走咗4呢個 option，咁所以咧4都會拋走佢啦，咁有4個 option 到錯咧，答案就會係 B 啦。好啦，我哋睇一睇咧，第7條啦。第7條咧，我哋咧有一個好重要嘅 keyword 啦，就係佢話 in the long run 啦 ，which of the above items are variable factors of the production 啊？喂，記唔記得咧？我哋又係啦，先 definition 咧就後呢一個scenario 嘛。好啦 ，in the long run 啦，記唔記得 long run 有啲乜嘢 definition？係啦 ，long run 嘅 definition 咧，其實就係講到明就係 all inputs variable 啊嘛，咁所以其實好明顯嘅個答案就係每一樣嘢都會係 variable 咯，係啊，咁所以呢個答案咧就會係啲乜嘢咧？就會係一啲可以用，即係首先啦，佢要係一間學校嘅 factor input 啦，咁就係點樣咧？1啦、2啦、 同埋5嘅，係啦，因為1、2、5係一啲學校會用到嘅嘢啊嘛，係咪？咁所以咧，我哋就會圈翻 B 嘅，係啦。咁所以咧，我自己覺得咧都係幾簡單嘅，因為咧，佢個重點係啲乜嘢咧？個重點就係咧，in long run all inputs 都係 variable 嘅，係啦。咁但係咧3同埋4啊，即係話首先 students 咧就唔係一間學校嘅 capital 嚟噶嘛，我哋唔需要用學生去砌一間學校出嚟噶嘛。學生某程度係一個 customer 啦，kind of 係一個係啦。好啦，咁咧佢係一個消費者嚟嘅，3係一個消費者嚟嘅。咁我諗呢個位你都會明白啦。好啦，咁咧我哋去到第8條啦。第8條咧就係話 the labour supply of a country will increase。好啦，都係好簡單，我哋都係用翻同一樣嘅做法。首先我哋會圈到係 increase 啦，咁我哋要 bear in mind。第二樣嘢就我哋諗下 definition of labour supply 係啲乜嘢。哇，labour supply 嘅 definition 係啲乜嘢？就係話呢一個佢嘅 working hours 啊嘛。係啦，記唔記得同你講過啊？勞動力咧係唔關你有幾多個人做啊，係關你有做幾耐事啊。咁所以咧，the labour supply of 一個 country will increase 咧，when 啲乜嘢咧，就係佢嘅 working hours will increase 啦。好啦 ，A 啦 ，more training is provided for the existing labour force。咁呢樣有冇 increase 佢嘅 labour supply？冇啊，佢 increase 咗啲乜嘢啊？佢 increase 咗呢一個 labour productivity 啊嘛。好啦 ，boy 啦。The legal minimum working age is lowered from 16去到15。喂，咁呢一個好明顯就會多咗人跳入咗呢一個嘅employment 同埋呢個 labour force 啦，係咪？咁所以啦，假設啦，我哋而家每個人做10個鐘，但係我得100個人係幫我做10個鐘。咁咧，after 呢一個法例 pass 咗之後咧，咁好明顯會多咗人係15歲以上噶嘛。我假設係150個人，嗱，假設我都係做10個鐘啊。咁其實我 total 出嚟都已經唔同咗嗰個 outcome 啦，係咪？咁所以答案咧好明顯係 B 嘅。好啦，我哋睇埋 C 同埋 D。C 咧就話 foreign direct investment increases。咁呢一個咧其實就點解會錯咧？就因為咧外國嘅投資增加咧係唔會直接影響工作嘅人口同埋工作嘅時數㗎。係啦，所以咧我哋好簡單，我哋就應該都係 based on 個大原則啦，就係先 definition 嘛。咁我哋知道咗啦 ，labour supply 嘅 definition 就係 working hours 啊嘛。咁有啲乜嘢會影響到 working hours？Either 係你多咗人啦，或者你多咗一個鐘數。所以我哋睇下有冇啲乜嘢多咗人多個鐘數啦。B 咧多咗人嘅 ，A 唔關事 ，C 唔關事 ，D 唔關事，係咪？D 甚至咧係會導致呢個工作人口下降嘅，因為點解啊？因為 increase 咗嘅 salary tax rate 咧係會 decrease 咗呢一個 working incentive 嘅。係啊 decrease 呢個 working incentive 係啦。咁呢個咧我都覺得係好容易去理解啦。好啦，我哋咧就去到第9條啦。第9條咧就問你啦，佢話 which of the following 咧 is the most mobile in terms of occupational mobility？ 好啦，咁我哋同樣地啦，我哋先睇一睇條題目咧，我哋諗翻佢嘅definition 先嘅。好啦。佢就問咗啲咩咧？佢問呢個 occupational mobility 啊。咁 occupational mobility 係咩意思啊？就係話你嗰個 ease of 呢一個 changing occupation 係咪？即係話你有幾容易啊？係轉工咧？咁我哋就睇翻。咁啊，我哋咧雖然呢一個 definition 啦，但係我哋記得我哋要聯繫到背後嘅概念噶嘛。即係話你要諗你容唔容易轉工，你就要諗啲咩咧？就係你轉工嘅一啲代價咯。你轉工有啲咩 cost？咁其實呢一條問你，喂，邊個人咧係最容易轉工？即係問你邊一個人係最低代價咯？當轉工嘅時候，咁啊，我哋咧就會解釋翻每一個啦。嗱，professional basketball player 啦，係咪？咁 OK，佢嘅機會成本咧係咪最低咧？未知住。但係咧 professional 嘅 basketball player 咧，我會話咧，其實佢嘅 salary 咧都偏高嘅，係啦。B 咧就係一個 licensed farmer 啦，即係一個整水喉。好啦 ，C 咧就係一個 a graduate trainee in 一個 law firm。D 咧就係 a clerk in an accounting firm。好啦，咁咧我哋其實好簡單，就係答案就係 D 嘅，因為咧其實佢嘅人工係最低嘅。 因為 clerk 咧其實係佢係一個文員啫嘛，同其他唔同嘅，其他係比較 professional 啦。記得如果咧你答呢一條題目嘅時候咧，你嘅 mindset 係諗緊話，喂，因為不論係 A 啦，不論係 B 啦，不論係 C 咧，都 used 可能係 many times for study。咁咧呢一個 concept 咧，咁就錯㗎。係啊，點解？因為呢啲係 sunk cost 係啊，呢啲係 sunk cost 係唔會被考慮嚟。呢個我覺得係呢一題你記得嘅嘢啦，係啦。好啦，去到第10條啦。第10條我自己覺得我覺得特別啦，好簡單嘅 piece rate 嗱，by definition piece rate 係有啲乜嘢嘅 intention 啊？就係想佢有多啲嘅 output 啊嘛，係啦，係個 quantity 啦，係會稍稍大過 quality 嘅，又或者啦，佢係好 easily measurable。係好容易去度嘅。好啦，我哋睇 A 啦。A，a newspaper columnist 即係寫報章嘅。咁你話佢 piece rate 合唔合理？我覺得合理嘅。primary school teacher 啦，你點樣可以俾 piece rate 一個小學老師？即係好難嘅嘛，你冇得話喂佢幫手教咗個細路仔就俾唔知幾多錢佢咁啊，唔合理噶嘛。C 啦 fireman， 喂，如果係 piece rate 嘅話，咁有陣時成年都唔會着火嘅，咁啲消防員咪冇錢收，唔合理。好啦 bus driver 啦，亦都唔合理嘅，因為點解啊？因為咧，其實咧，佢係會 expect 佢呢個 bus driver 咧，應該都會對一個 safety 咧係有 concern 嘅。咁 as long 咧 as 佢對 safety 有 concern 咧，都唔會希望佢係都唔會希望咧佢係好overemphasize on 一個嘅 quantity 嘅。因為你諗下，如果話俾你聽，一個巴士司機揸一轉咧就會有幾多幾多錢，就會有點樣點樣啦。咁呢樣嘢嘅話，其實好危險嘅，因為個巴士司機就會開始亂咁揸啦。咁其實係唔好嘅，唔 favourable 嘅。OK，好啦，咁我哋解釋咗第10條啦，咁我哋咧就 move on 去到第11條啦。咁第11條啦，又係啦，一樣嘅做法，每一條一樣嘅啫。睇一睇最尾嗰一句 ，this expansion，我哋就會知道係點咩咧？佢係考 expansion。咁咧，我哋就會知道咧，又會有啲乜嘢啊？哦 lateral 啊，咩conglomerate 啊，係嘛？即係vertical 啊，係咪？或者係 conglomerate 啦，係啦。咁咧，我哋咧先睇一睇咧，佢嗰個 scenario 係啲乜嘢啦？佢話 HKTV 啊，係 launch 一個 online shopping platform 咧，叫 HKTV Mall。咁我諗你都有聽過，或者甚至你已經有用過啦。即係話一個咧電台啊，電視電台啊，無端端開咗一個上網嘅購物平台啊。咁有啲似啲乜嘢嘅方式咧？就係話 TVB 無端端開咗個嘢叫 TVB Mall 咁樣樣啦。咁我哋會 feel 到咧，第一我哋會諗到佢係一個點樣嘅 expansion 啊，係啦。咁咧我哋會知道啦，呢一個好明顯咧係一個我哋叫做 conglomerate 嘅一個 expansion 啦。因為點解啊？因為 HKTV Industries 係完全係 unrelated 嘅喎，to 呢一個 online shopping industry 係咪 totally unrelated？好啦，咁我哋咧我哋首先咧 identify 到佢係一個乜嘢嘅 expansion 啦，and then 咧我哋要知道咧佢背後咁樣做咧有啲乜嘢目的。佢嘅目的咧即係唔需要諗咧，係一定係要 spread risk 噶啦。咁點解啊？因為可以好簡單咁樣諗下啦。如果咧我係做一個電台嘅，咁我點解可以做到 spread risk 咧？就係如果我電台嗰邊咧嘅生意咧好差咧，我都有第二啲範疇嘅嘢去到做翻一個 backup 嘅。咁咧呢一個咧好明顯就係啦，就係話我而家假設冇人睇HKTV 啲 show 啦，但係都會有人喺 HKTV Mall 買嘢噶嘛。咁所以對於佢嘅一個經濟嚟講咧，都唔會一個好大嘅一個創傷嘅。係啦，呢一個咧就 more like 係佢嘅背後嘅一個意思啦。好啦，第二啦，佢話 ensure 一個 higher profit for the company。喂，呢個咧永遠都係錯㗎，係冇方法可以 ensure 到一個 high profit 㗎嘛，係咪？好啦，第三啦 extend 一個 brand name to other markets。呢個係一個 general 嘅一個 motive 嚟，係 general 嘅。所以咧好簡單啦，我哋咧用排除法咧剔走咗2咧，我哋好快就會做到boy 啦。 咁如果你真係DSE 去到做嘅時候咧，其實你嘅做法就一樣嘅，一嘢查咗2呢個 option 先，然後咧就圈波，其實就應該要 move 翻去下一條啦。好啦，之後咧我哋去到第12條啦，咁咧我哋都係睇最尾嗰句，第一下 ，What is the profit maximizing output 啊嘛，好啦，然後我哋就諗呢啲 definition 啦。咩叫做 profit maximizing output 啊？profit maximizing output 係咪即係問緊你一個 P 等於 MC 等於 MB 啊？好啦，咁咧我哋咧要 construct 佢嘅 table 㗎。記唔記得我哋點樣 construct 個 table 啊？我講過個 flow 係 ATM 就係 average 啦、total 啦同埋 marginal 啊嘛。係啦，我而家就演示一次啦。好啦，我哋先乘翻佢個 total 出嚟先。好啦，咁呢一度側邊啦，我哋會形容佢係 total 啊。好啦，咁呢個咧就會係40啦，因為20乘2嘛。好啦，咁如此類推啦，我哋就會知道呢一個係63啦，88啦，係啦，之後5、2得11、115啦，係咪？之後咧就會係144啦、175嘅。好啦，之後咧我哋就要 construct 一樣嘢咧，就叫 marginal table。marginal 即係點啊？marginal 就係呢一個減呢一個先會出到呢一個噶嘛。嗱，第一個咧我哋40減唔知咩啦，我哋冇嘅。咁啦，我哋63減40幾多係23咯，88減63幾多25咯，跟住咪27、29、31啦。好啦，我哋要揾到一個位咧，係佢 P 等於 MC 等於 MB 啊嘛。咁呢一個係 marginal cost 噶嘛，係咪？咁我哋咧揾一個位咧，就係 P 咧係等於 MC 喺呢一度咧就 OK 噶啦，因為佢淨係俾咗 MC 嚟啫嘛。好，首先我哋睇個 P 嚟到 ，P 係25喎。咁我想問下呢度邊一度係25啊？咪就係你見到呢度咯。咁呢度對應嘅嗰個 price 係唔係就係4呢一個 unit？ 好啦，咁我哋咧就首先啦，我哋會查到 C 同埋 D 嘅，因為我哋知道咧而家係4個 unit 嘛。好啦，我哋去計佢嘅 profit 啦。好啦，profit 係點樣計啊？profit 係咪就係 P 乘 Q 減佢所有 cost 啊？P 乘 Q 係咩？P 乘 Q 係 revenue 啊嘛，減翻佢嘅 cost 啊嘛。好啦，我哋而家先計翻個 revenue 先啦。我哋而家就知道啦，25我整4件嘅，咁即25乘4啦。好啦 ，cost 係幾多 ？cost 要計啲乜嘢咧？就係計翻佢 total cost 咯，88咯。咁25乘4即係100啦，100減88即係12就真係 boy 啦。好簡單嘅呢一條。好啦，我哋 move on 咧去到13條啦。咁咧，我記得你就係13條咧，你就係唔啱啊嘛。你話係你唔係好即係知點解你自己會唔啱第13條啦。咁所以咧，我咧就想咧解釋下呢一條題目嘅。好啦，首先啦，最尾啦，我哋一樣嘅做法啦。我哋咧去到睇一睇最尾嗰句先。最尾一句咧就係話 ，Which of the following situations would lead to an increase in the demand for private housing？ 首先啦，我哋好 sensitive 嘅，我哋見到 private housing 咧，其實第一樣嘢咧，我哋要諗一諗咧，就係佢嘅 option 入面咧有冇 public housing 啊？因為咧佢好容易咧就會以一個 substitute 嘅方式去到 fit 你嘅。咁嗱，不出我所料啦，一定係有 public housing 噶，一定會有噶，一定係會有呢一樣嘢噶。好啦，咁咧我哋就可以咧去到 scrutinize 睇一睇啦。好啦，佢就話有乜嘢咧會導致 private housing 嘅 demand 係 increase？ 好啦，第一 the price of private housing decreases， 即係佢話 P 跌啦。P 跌會唔會導致 D 升啊？希望你嘅答案係答到我唔會，因為 P 跌咧係 QD 升嘅。因為咧而家係冇任何 shifting 噶嘛，冇任何 shifting 嘅話咧，我哋就係 base on呢幅圖咧，咁咧就佢問你P 由呢一個位咧跌咗去呢一個位咧，咁咧升嘅咧其實係 QD 啊。就唔係 demand 啊，係 QD 啊，只不過係呢一個喺呢條線上面一個好簡單嘅 movement 嚟嘅咋。咁所以 A 係唔啱啊。B 啊，佢話 the supply of public housing increases 喎，係啦。咁咧我哋就可以睇一睇啦。嗱 supply increase 咧如果你需要畫圖咧就畫圖啦。其實咧係唔應該係唔需要畫圖噶。 嗱，睇翻呢度啦 ，demand supply increase 咪即係咩意思啊？supply increase 嘅意思即係話佢嗰個 price 係會下降啦，然後佢嗰個 quantity 咧係應該會上升噶嘛，係咪？好啦，之後咧你見到啦，supply 升，P 跌飆升啦，咁咧就即係反映咗咧佢 P 跌咗啊嘛。好啦 ，public housing 咧 as 一個private housing 嘅 substitute 咧，佢嘅 P 跌咗咧，其實係會導致咧呢一個 demand for private housing 咧都會 decrease 㗎。因為點解啊？因為你啲人就會變相就會去買，即係去到使用公屋啦，就 instead of 係去買一啲私樓喎。咁所以咧係 substitute 嘅 price 跌咗咧，導致咗我哋呢個 good 嘅 demand 都跌咗啦。好，之後咧我哋就會見到咧第13條嘅 C 啦，咁咧你就問我話點解唔啱啊？好啦 ，C 咧就話 people expect the interest rate for 呢個 mortgage 嘅 loans to increase later， 即係咧佢會 expect 咧之後咧，如果你要借錢買樓咧，嗰個利率咧就會好高，咁所以咧我哋會睇到啦，如果咧按揭利率啦，呢個叫做按揭利率咧係供樓業主向銀行還利息嘅。咁如果咧呢一個嘅我哋叫做 mortgage 嘅呢個 rate 咧係會 increase 咧，呢啲潛在買家咧就會知道利息嘅負擔咧將會加重啊，佢哋買樓嘅意欲咧就會下降啊，係啦。所以咧即係咩意思咧？即係話咧其實呢一個 mortgage loan 咧，佢係買咗樓先至還嘅，即係話佢係之後慢慢還嘅。點解唔係 C 啊？就係因為你係買咗樓先至還啊嘛。咁如果佢話俾你聽佢之後會 increase，咁咪即係話你之後要還嘅錢多咗咯。咁所以你就會 foresee 到啦。喂，我而家買之後還嘅話都幾揦脷嘅喎，咁我一定唔買啦。咁所以就唔係 C 啦。咁所以咧，答案就係 D 啦。咁記唔記得咧？我都有同你講過咧，就係 expect 呢個字咧係好重要噶嘛，係有啲唔同噶嘛。佢話 people expect the price of private housing to increase later。喂，大佬，我 expect 佢之後升值喎，咁我梗係而家買啦。咁我而家買咧，咁有兩個 mindset 喺度諗咧，都可以知道點解我而家買。第一就我而家買，咁我之後咪唔使咁貴。而家自住嘅話，咁咪會抵啲咯，係咪？係咪？即係話 better for self-use。係啦，第二就係咩咧？就係佢可以貨用嚟做啲 capital gain 嘅，即係話我而家買咗等樓啦，等我之後咧，我知道佢會貴啲放翻出去咧，咁我都會賺到錢嘅嘛。咁呢個係一個即係好 basic 要 equip 到嘅 mindset 嚟，我自己覺得。好，第三條應該冇問題嘅。點解唔係 C 咧？就係因為好問題嚟嘅。我覺得係因為你唔係好知 mortgage loan 係咩意思啊？你以為就係佢之後買樓會貴啲，所以就趁而家要買啦。其實唔係嘅 quite the opposite 嘅，就係你而家佢話俾你聽，之後你要還嘅錢多咗，所以你而家唔會買，就係咁。係啦，你睇你明唔明啦？如果唔明嘅話，你再 WhatsApp 翻我，再同你講 detail 都要得嘅。咁我即係俾個 summary 你，就我建議咧，你點咧？就係捉緊呢一個 concept，記得啦 ，mortgage loan 啫係之後先慢慢還嘅咁樣。好啦，14條啦，14條咧其實係好簡單嘅。咁咧佢主要咧就係去到考翻你 derived demand 啦。咁 derived demand 即係衍生需求嘛。咁記唔記得 derived demand 同 complement 有啲咩分別啊？就係咧佢咧一定係咧一啲嘅我會叫做一啲 factor input 嘅，係啦。咁所以咧，其實我哋首先睇下下面咧有啲乜嘢係 factor input 啊，即係話 A 同 B 咧係其中一個嘅 factor input，即係話 OK，我需唔需要咖啡豆去到整咖啡啊？要啊，咁所以呢個係有機會喎。咁但係我需唔需要自拍棍去整 camera？其實唔需要，所以 B 一定好啦。好啦，第二啦，我需唔需要 chicken wings 去到整 chicken legs？需唔需要雞翼去到整雞髀啊？唔需要。好啦，我需唔需要紙去到整 newspaper？要嘅，所以咧一係 A 一係 D 啦。咁所以咧呢度咧就係考緊咧，你睇唔睇得明咧？佢上面嗰句嘢嘅句式啊，就係 the demand for 乜乜 can be regarded as a derived demand for 乜乜咁樣樣。係啦，咁咧其實答案咧就應該為 A 嘅，就係咧你對你嗱嘅 demand for 乜嘢 can be regarded as a derived demand for 乜嘢咧？ 如果係呢一個 flow 嘅話咧，呢一個 sentence structure 嘅話咧，就係 the demand for 個 input 啦，could be regarded as 一個 derived demand for the output 嘅。咁咧即係話，我而家個咖啡咧係需要用到咖啡豆去整嘅，咁就 match 翻上面呢一個嘅 structure 啦，係啦。咁所以咧，呢樣嘢你要 bear in mind 係啲乜嘢咧？就係 when it comes to derived demand 咧，think about complement 同埋呢一個即係factor input 啦。咁你要知道話 complement 咧係一定會 include 呢一個 factor input 喺入面嘅。咁所以咧你要自己喺度識做啦，係啦。好啦，之後咧我哋就去到15條啦。咁其實15條咧我自己覺得咧係幾難一條，咁你都錯咗啦，係咪？好啦，咁呢度咧我哋就會解釋下嘅，係啦。15條咧我哋啦睇最尾一句先。最尾一句咧就話which of the following best explain the above changes。咁即上面有啲轉變啦，係咪？咁我哋即刻睇睇啦。好啊，嗱 ，a decrease in the cost of producing good X results in 5% 同埋10% change in its price and quantity。好啦，首先a decrease in the cost 咧，即係暗示啲乜嘢咧？嗱，我哋溫翻 demand 同埋 supply 嘅一啲 reason 咧，記唔記得就係 decrease in production cost imply 啲乜嘢咧？就係個 supply 就會 increase 嘅 ，supply 會 increase 咧，即係代表 P 跌啦，同埋嗰個 QD 係升嘅。咁咧，我哋而家睇翻啦，佢話咧有5% change in 呢個 price，但有10% change in 呢個 quantity transacted，即係咁樣啦，係咪？即係而家係咁樣喎，即係話個 QD 喐得大過個 P 啦。咁呢個咧 by definition 咧，我哋會知道係啲乜嘢咧？係啦，我哋會知道係啲乜嘢咧？我哋知道咧呢一個咧係一個 elastic 嘅嘢啦。好啦，咁咧我哋咧仲會知道啲乜嘢咧？因為啊，佢係喐呢一個 supply 咧，所以咧佢係一個 elastic demand。係啦，冇錯啦，呢一個咧 concept 咧係調轉嘅，即係我上堂冇講過啦，而家咧就可以同你補講翻。如果咧佢喐緊嗰條線咧係 supply curve 咧，其實係反映緊佢條 demand curve 係 elastic 定係唔 elastic 嘅。咁呢個 concept 其實都係好容易可以 illustrate 到啦，同埋好容易去到解釋嘅。嗱，下面都畫幅圖俾你睇啦。記唔記得 elastic 定係唔 elastic 就係睇佢係直定唔直嘛？嗱，如果咁樣嘅話咧，係 elastic 啲嘛？咁樣咧係冇咁 elastic，即係叫做 inelastic 啲嘛？好啦，咁呢條係條 demand curve 啦。我哋咧 meanwhile 咧，我就畫條 supply curve 出嚟啦。咁咧，我哋咧一條 supply curve 咧向上向下喐咧，喐得幾多咧？係咪會影響個 P 同埋個 Q 啊？因為咧，我哋隔離咧都會有一個即係咁樣嘅一個 graph 噶嘛。咁咧假設咧，我哋而家咧係一個好簡單嘅 movement 啦。然後嗱 supply，我哋 base on 翻呢條題目啦。cost decrease 咧，咁個 supply curve 咧正常咧應該會向前喐㗎，即係佢應該會變咗做，佢應該咧會變咗做咁樣噶嘛，佢會咁樣喐噶嘛。咁假設啦，我哋只係向前喐2 cm 咁樣啦。咁你而家見到咧，佢喐得唔係好多嘅。但係假設啦，如果我而家呢條 curve 咧，即係呢一個demand curve 咧，佢係斜啲嘅，佢係唔係咁直嘅，咁樣嘅。如果佢係，咁如果我向前喐2 cm，其實係咪喐咗好多啊？係啦，喐咗好多。所以咧，其實當 supply curve 喐嘅時候咧，佢喐幾多咧係 depends on 個 demand curve 嘅 elasticity 嘅。係啦，咁所以咧，我哋而家知道咧，當佢 decrease in the cost 啦，喐咗 supply curve 嘅時候咧，我哋就會考慮佢 elasticity of demand 啦。我哋咧就會知道佢係一個 elastic 嘅 demand 咧。咁我哋睇下啦，有啲乜嘢咧係可以 explain 到咧一個 elastic demand。好啦，其實咧答案咧就一嘢咧，我哋就會圈到咧係 A 噶啦，因為 A 就係 elastic demand 咯。當佢係一個好 durable 嘅 good，即係話佢可以用好耐嘅時候咧，咁佢係咪就係 elastic？咁呢個咧記唔記得我同你喺嗰個筆記咧，我哋咪真係教你嘅時候咧，我都有 go through 過嘅。越 durable 嘅嘢咧，可以用越耐嘅嘢咧，你係越有一個自主權去諗你要唔要換個新啊，你唔要買個新噶嘛，係咪？嗱 B 啦。There are no close substitute of for good X， 呢一個咧應該係 inelastic 嘅 demand。C 啦 ，firms producing good X have excess capacity in production， 呢個唔關事啦，因為呢個係 supply 噶嘛。我哋而家係要揾一啲 factor 係 demand side 嘅，因為點解？因為佢喐 supply curve，喐 supply curve 就要睇佢 demand 有幾 elastic 啊嘛。好啦 ，D 呢個 option 啊，同樣地啦，關 supply 事其實唔關事嘅，係啦。咁所以咧答案就會係 A 嘅，係啦。咁呢一條咧就係關於 elasticity 啦，咁稍為有啲複雜嘅。咁如果你又唔識嘅話咧，就可以再 DM 我啦，再同你去到慢慢講嘅。好啦，去到第16條啦。第16條咧就話 the demand below shows the supply and demand curves of taxi services in Hong Kong. The original equilibrium is at E 咁樣啦。好啦，咁我哋咧都係啦，我哋睇佢最尾嗰句先啦。佢就話 the new equilibrium point will be 咁，即係叫做揾翻個 new equilibrium point 啦。一開始喺邊啊？一開始喺呢度，係啦。首先啦，佢就係睇下佢係佢個 table 咧係 refer 緊啲乜嘢？佢係講的士啊，的士啊。咁咧，我哋咧就會喺呢啲 option 裏面睇唔睇到佢嘅 substitute 啊？係睇到嘅，因為咧佢話 Uber 啊嘛，佢話 Uber 而家好多人用啦 ，Uber 好多人用，咁會點啊？好簡單，的士嘅點解會跌咗？係咪？好啦，之後咧at the same time 咧 ，the fuel price has decreased significantly。好啦，即係咧佢 demand decrease 咗啦，因為點解？因為咧佢有一啲 substitute 嘅一啲出現啦，我哋叫做 Uber 啊嘛。同時咧，佢 supply 咧係會 increase 咗嘅。點解啊？因為咧佢個 cost of production 咧係咪 decrease 咗？係啦，所以咧 in this sense 我哋睇一睇啦 ，demand decrease 嘅 demand decrease 係咪即係話咁樣向後褪啊？即係話佢一定係喺呢條線上面㗎啦。咁咧 meanwhile 咧佢個 supply 咧係會 increase 嘅喎，咁咪即係一定係 E2咯，搭埋 boy 係啦，好簡單。好啦，之後咧，我哋就去到第17條啦。第17條啦，我哋就係話 demand for construction workers in Hong Kong will increase 啲乜嘢啦。因為其實呢個咧，我自己覺得咧，就因為真係太簡單啦，所以咧我呢度咧就直接我哋跳一跳啦。The legal procedures from urban redevelopment are simplified。咁即係話佢會 simplify 咗，即係可以快啲去到進行啦。咁即係我哋可以直接去到請人啦。好啦，我哋去到18去到20咧就係你嘅重災區，因為你3條你都錯咗㗎。咁咧，我哋呢度咧就我哋想擺多啲嘅時間喺度解釋嘅。好啦，第一樣嘢啦，佢問你咧，以下呢樣嘢係 inconsistent 咧 with 呢個 law of demand。好啦，都係啦，同一做法，我哋 by definition 先。咁 law of demand 嘅 definition 係啲乜嘢？law of demand 嘅 definition 係咪就係 P 升 QD 跌？係咪？好啦，咁咧我哋睇一睇逐個 option 啦。When a government imposes 呢個 ad valorem tax 啊，咁呢個我都同你解釋過啦。呢個我哋上堂咧好 in depth 咁樣解釋過咧，係唔會影響個 relative price 噶嘛，係唔會影響個 relative price 噶嘛，係咪？咁所以 A 一定唔關事㗎 ad valorem tax 啦。咁所以咧佢就話 when the government imposes ad valorem tax 啦，咁佢咧係應該 remain unchanged 嘅，正常嘅，啱啊，講得啱啊。所以呢一個咪係 consistent，所以就唔關事嘅。好啦，之後咧，我哋去到睇一睇 C、B 呢個 option 啊。佢話 A larger quantity of expensive fruits is sold in a far-away market than a market near the farm。呢句嘢都係 consistent 嘅。咁我哋可以由 B 呢個我哋可以去諗一諗啦。佢話 A larger quantity of expensive fruits is sold in a far-away market。點解啊？因為咧嗱，如果你要賣一個 即係你要賣生果啦 ，at 一個 far-away market，其實係對啲乜嘢咧？其實係imply 咗咧，你係要 pay 呢一個 transportation fee 啊嘛，係咪？即係話，如果我要將啲生果拎到老年咁遠賣嘅話咧，其實我係需要一個 fix 嘅一個 fix 嘅一筆錢嘅，係啦，係去到幫我咧將啲生果咧運出去嘛，咁我先至可以出面賣噶嘛。咁所以咧，係咪就係喺出面賣嗰啲就會相對上係會貴啲，同埋相對上係會比較好啲啊？係啊，所以呢個係嘅。好啦 ，for C 啦，佢話 price of residential flats and quantity transacted are positively related during economic boom。好啦 ，economic boom 係咩意思啊？economic boom 咧就係話咧啲人嘅經濟咧係好好啊，經濟好好嘅時候咧。就係會對呢一個 demand for 呢一個 normal good 咧 係會 increase 噶嘛。咁所以呢一句嘢都係啱嘅，係啦。咁咧，我哋可以用一個好啲嘅方法去到解釋啦。咁咧我簡單解釋咗點解 A、B、C 係 consistent 咧，答案就係 D 啦。咁咧，我想用第二啲方法去到講多一次點解 A、B、C 係唔啱嘅。嗱 A 咧唔啱咧，係因為咧只有一啲定額稅啊，即係我哋叫做 lump sum tax 啊，lump sum 嘅 tax 咧一筆數，而且係 fixed amount 先會影響呢一個物品嘅 quality 嘅。好啦 ，B 啦，就係咧，我哋會考慮到咧，因為如果我哋要賣一啲同個即係同個 farm 咧好遠嘅一啲嘢嘅時候咧，我哋係要俾一啲 fixed 嘅 transportation cost 㗎。咁所以咧，你係越遠離個 market 咧，就會賣一啲越貴價嘅水果啊。係啦，所以咧，無論貴價定係低價咧，反正運費相同咧，所以偏向咧都會想賣啲高價嘅水果啊。好啦 ，for C 呢個 option 啊，就係都係 match 呢個 law of demand 嘅，因為咧 price 上升咧，個 quantity demand 下降咧，暗示咧呢個 demand curve 咧係向右下傾斜嘅。咁咧簡單啲嚟講咧，我哋就會知道咧，同時上升咧，就即係嗱 C 呢個 option 咧，我哋要揾啲乜嘢咧？其實有啲乜嘢咧係會 inconsistent with 呢個 law of demand 咧？我哋就係要知道咧。law of demand 其實就係講一樣嘢嘅啫，就係話咧 demand curve 係向下斜嘅，就係咩意思咧？就係話如果一樣嘢咧越貴嘅話咧，我係會做越少嘅。咁所以話咧，只要咧你揾到一樣嘢咧係可以 prove 到佢咧越貴，但係佢做越多咧，咁佢就係唔合理㗎啦。咁 D 就好明顯係唔合理啦，因為咧佢收咗呢一個 lump sum charge 之後咧，其實佢嗰個嘅 quality 咧係應該上升嘅。咁因為你見到咧 average monthly rental 啦，係導致咧呢一個嘅 quality of vehicle 咧係應該上升嘅。因為諗下，如果我每個月咧要俾500蚊泊車咧，咁不如我泊架林寶堅尼啦，無謂再泊架冇乜特別嘅車喺個車房嗰度咁樣樣，係啦。咁呢個係一個好合理嘅。咁咧其實有啲快啲嘅方法咧，去到諗呢一個嘅嘢嘅，就係你睇下啦。如果你落咗兩個重點嘅啫，呢度所有嘢咧拆晒佢都得嘅。其實呢個題目咧兩個重點嘅啫。第一啦，睇下有冇 fixed amount 嘅嘢啦，同埋睇下佢嘅 quality 同埋 factor。係啦，咁你就會好容易就會編到 D for D dot 噶啦。好啦，第19條咧，呢一個咧就係一個普通嘅計數啊。咁咧我哋都係啦，睇一睇咧最尾嗰句先。佢就話咧邊個 statement 係啱㗎？當佢有一個 subsidy 20蚊嘅時候，好啦，咁咧我哋第一樣嘢咧，我哋應該要 base on 佢originally 咧佢 equilibrium 嘅時候咧，佢賣緊喺邊度啦 ？equilibrium 嘅時候咧係賣緊呢一個嘅60蚊㗎嘛。咁即係咧佢嗰幅 graph 咧應該係點咧？佢嗰幅 graph 咧嗱唔使畫嘅，應該喺個腦度會有嘅。咁個 graph 咧應該係咁樣嘅。咁咧呢度咧就係60啦。咁咧佢就係賣緊10件嘅。咁咧佢咧就話咧而家咧就落咗一個20蚊嘅 subsidy 啦。咁好明顯咧，你係應該會有呢一個 increase in supply 嘅嘛，因為你呢一個俾咗 subsidy 嘛，係咪？咁你咧應該會有一個平啲嘅新嘅 price 嘅，係啦，平啲嘅新嘅 price 啦，同埋咧你會有兩個新嘅 price 嘅。第一啦，係個市價咧係會平咗啦，係會平過60蚊嘅。同時咧，嗰啲 supplier 咧係應該收咗個貴啲嘅價格㗎，係啦。咁我哋睇一幅圖啦，我哋睇下有啲乜嘢係會 match 到呢一個所謂嘅講法啦。好啦，首先可以教你好快咁樣睇一睇，當一個20蚊嘅 subsidy 抌咗落去一個 tax 嘅時候咧，應該會係點樣去到做一個處理啦。好啦，記唔記得咧？我上次同你講過咧，就係當有 tax 或者有 subsidy 嘅時候咧，點樣去到諗？點樣去到 differentiate？就係supply side 或者 demand side，佢分別會食幾多 subsidy 啊，或者呢一個嘅tax 啊，就係睇翻佢嘅 elasticity 啊嘛。嗱， 假設啦 demand 係 more inelastic 嘅時候咧，其實咧個 demand 就會食多啲 subsidy 或者食多啲 tax 噶嘛。相反啦，如果 supply 係 more inelastic 咧，佢就會食多啲噶嘛。咁但係啦，我哋而家睇翻有啲乜嘢可以睇到佢嘅 elasticity 咧？我哋睇一睇咧，佢個 QD 即係嘅 movement 就得噶啦。嗱，由40去到50蚊，佢係變兩件啊嘛。咁由40去到50蚊，個 supply 係咪都係變兩件啊？咁即係話其實佢哋嘅 movement 係一樣咧，就會反映到啲乜嘢咧？其實佢哋嘅 elasticity 係一樣噶。咁如果 elasticity 係一樣嘅話咧，咁係咪即係代表呢20蚊咧？其實佢哋係平分啊，即係話其實咧係會平咗50蚊，同時咧都會賺多咗10蚊嘅，係咪？好啦，咁即係話咧，我哋會有新嘅 quantity 啦。新嘅 quantity 我哋睇下喺50同埋70嘅時候個 quantity 係幾多？係啦，50、70個 quantity 係12啊。咁所以咧，你會見到咧，新咗個 quantity 係12啦。係啦，咁咧如果咧我哋有呢一個表咧，其實咧我哋就好多數咧我哋都會計到噶啦。例如係我哋會見到total revenue 啦，including 個 subsidy 係840蚊咁樣樣。好啦，咁咧其實係咪即係70乘12啊？係啦，因為 total revenue 就係 P 乘 Q 嘛，咁佢要 include 埋嗰個 subsidy 嘛，個 subsidy 係呢一嚿嘢嘛，咁所以咧就會係70乘12啦，840啦，答案就係 A 啦。好啦，佢話 the total subsidy granted by the government 係200蚊喎，咁就唔啱啦，因為點解啊？因為而家我哋係做12件啊嘛，咁佢每件都俾20蚊我哋，咁其實 for B 係咪應該20乘12？係咪應該等於呢個240就唔係200蚊啊？好啦 ，B 唔啱。C 啦 ，within the range of original and new market prices, the elasticity of demand is smaller than one。呢個唔講啦，自己計一計啦，計一計 elasticity 啦，有條式可以計嘅。D 啦 ，the change in total revenue of its complement 係 uncertain。喂，唔係 uncertain 㗎，係一定係會升㗎。因為點解？因為咧呢個 QD 升咧 ，for complement 咧 D 係會升啦，P 係會升啦，Q 係會升啦。咁 total revenue 點計啊 ？P 乘 Q 啊嘛。咁升咗嘅 P 加升咗嘅 Q，咪升咗嘅 total revenue 咯，一定升㗎，唔會有 uncertain。好啦，所以咧去到20條啦。咁咧20條咧就係一個背書嘅題目嚟嘅啫，就係關於 monopoly 嘅，係啦。咁20條咧係點樣睇咧？係啦，20條就係呢一個咧，發現咧係最低答啱率嘅，26% 嘅啫。咁咧我哋可以睇一睇啦。答案咧就係 B for boy，即係話唔會2係錯。咁呢個其實背書嘅啫，因為點解咧 ？monopoly 咧係一個 price searcher 嚟嘅。price searcher 咩叫 price searcher 啊？咩叫 price searcher？咩叫 price taker 啊？嗱，呢個咧就會寫翻個 definition 俾你嘅。嗱，price searcher 咧就即係講緊咧，你係 set the price by yourself。好啦，咁咧你都會有一個 price taker。price taker 就係the market price you set 咧係 affected by others 嘅，即係話你係需要考慮到一啲，譬如話你 competitor 啊，或者你一啲其他嘅唔同持份者，佢大概 set 個 price 係咩價位啊？咁你再參考翻，再去到 set 個 price 嘅。by external parties。好，咁咧我哋可以睇一睇咧每一個 option 啊。佢 set 佢 market price 啱。好啦 ，a natural monopoly arises when 一個 firm 係when no firms are permitted to enter the market。咁呢一個咧其實係唔啱啊，係啦，點解啊？因為咧 natural monopoly 咧係指冇任何 intervention 嘅情況下咧，係 arise 嘅一啲 monopoly。咁我覺得大字面意思都好好理解嘅。咁 natural 嘅一個 monopoly 係咩意思啊？就係monopoly that arise without any intervention， 係咪？咁所以咧呢一個咧就係一個好直接嘅去向嚟嘅， 就係話一個 natural monopoly arises when no firms competes in the market 咧，就好明顯唔係啦，因為你俾咗 permit 啊嘛，你俾咗一個牌佢啊嘛，俾咗一個牌佢啦，俾咗一個許可啦，咁其實呢個係個干預。好啦，第3條啦 ，there are substitutes for product provided by monopolies，咁絕對嘅。For example，其實MTR 啦，咁佢都係一個 monopoly 嚟噶嘛。In terms of 呢個 railway industry， 係咪 ？In terms of 呢個 railway 啦，but on the other hand，你可以搭巴士噶嘛，咁咪即係會有一個 substitute 咯。Right， 所以咧 for 20咧就係1同3啦。好，之後啦，我哋就去到21條啦。21條咧就問你話 ，in which of the following situations is efficiency attained？ 咁呢個咧其實係 by definition 嘅啫。efficiency 咧係指 total social surplus is maximized， 係咪？係啦，while 咧呢一個嘅deadweight loss 等於0，係啦。所以咧我哋一樣做法啦，我哋都係睇題目中嗰句啦，咁問你 efficiency attained，and then 我哋咧就開始咧出啲我哋有嘅 definition。efficiency is attained when key total social surplus is maximized and 冇呢個嘅 deadweight loss， 一定要呢兩個先得。好啦，咁咧21條咧，我哋睇一睇 A 啦。佢話 total social benefit is equal to total social cost， 係啦。咁呢個咧唔一定嘅，因為點解啊？我哋可以喺幅圖嗰度睇到噶。好啦，如果啦，我而家有一個 intervention 啦，係咪？可能係個 quota 咁樣。咁咧呢一個位咧，佢嗰個total social benefit 咧，其實都係等於佢嘅 total social cost 嘅。咁但係咧就唔代表佢係 maximize， 因為咧佢係會有 deadweight loss 咁樣。係啦，好啦 ，producer surplus is equal to consumer surplus， 同樣地啦，都可以 illustrate 喺呢一幅圖嘅，就係佢可以呢個等於呢一個，但係佢有 deadweight loss 噶嘛。好啦 ，C 咧其實就係個答案啦。C 咧就係話 the difference between marginal social benefit and marginal social cost is 0， 係啦，因為即係代表佢冇 deadweight loss 啦，係咪 ？D 啦。The consumer surplus of all consumer in the market is maximized。咁呢個位咧，我哋就 ignore 咗 producers 啦，係咪？係啦 ，ignore 咗 producer。好啦，呢個就係21條啦。21條咧就應該係 C 啦。好啦，22條啦。同樣地啦，一樣做法，好簡單，睇住呢一句，就係good X 嘅一啲 consumer surplus 或者係一啲consumer surplus 或者啲 producer surplus 嘅一啲 effect。好啦，我哋首先咧，我哋會知道咧 good X 同 good Y are in competitive supply。咁咧 competitive supply 即係咩意思啊？ competitive supply 即係話 they use the same factor input， 係咪？即係話佢哋用嘅 factor input 咧係一樣嘅。好啦，咁我哋睇一睇啦。佢話咧 ，a rise in demand for good Y will lead to a consumer surplus and producer surplus in good X 咁樣樣。即係話簡單嚟講就係 good Y 咧同 good X 咧係一個 competitive supply。好啦，咁咧 demand for good Y 咧升咗咧係 P 升 ，QS 會升噶嘛。好啦，如果 competitive supply 嘅情況下咧 for X 啦，因為佢哋 competitive supply， 咁 P 升 QS 佢升咗嘅時候咧，其實係會導致 competitive supply 咧就 S 跌 P 升嘅。咁即係話，如果我本身喺度啦，係咪？咁咧我升咗落去呢一度咧，咁其實咧好簡單，我哋睇得出啦，嗰個 consumer surplus 係升咗㗎，係咪？但係咧 on the other hand 啊，本身咧係呢度㗎嘛，咁嗰個我哋叫做 producer surplus 咧係咁樣㗎嘛，係咪？而家咧因為佢升咗去呢度啦，咁個 producer surplus 咧就只係咧有縮細咗少少喎，咁所以咧好明顯咧個答案咧22條咧就會係呢一個，等我睇睇先。supply sorry 啊，我調轉咗嚟話，應該咧係 supply 咧跌咧應該係咁樣啊，係啦，咁咧我哋咁啊更加好啦，我可以由頭畫一次，因為啱啱都畫得唔係好清楚。咁咧我哋本身咧，我哋嗰個 consumer surplus 喺邊啊？本身 consumer surplus 喺呢度啊嘛。咁而家咧， 因為咧新嗰個 supply 咧係跌咗，我哋啱啱 illustrate 過點解會跌咗啦，因為佢 competitive supply 啦 ，competitive supply D 升 P 升咧，咁一個 demand curve 咧，如果升咗嘅話咧，即係咁樣升啊嘛，咁佢嘅 QS 啊，你聽唔聽到啊？我哋睇翻個 supply curve 啦，咁個 supply curve 個 QS 係由呢度去到呢度噶嘛，咁我哋就會知道啦 ，P 升咧 ，QS 會升咯。如果 as a competitive supply 咧，咁咧會點啊？咁第二樣嘢嘅 put X 嗰個 supply 咪會跌咯。嗱 supply 會跌嘅話咧就會咁樣。咁咧我哋就會見到咧本身嗰個 consumer surplus 咧咁樣啦，本身 producer surplus 咧咁樣啦，縮咗咧去呢一度啦，就變咗咁樣，唔係咁樣。咁咧唔使諗都知咧係縮細咗嘅。E for box 係啦，好簡單嘅呢一條。好啦，之後咧就去到第23條啦。咁23條咧係一個普通嘅計數嚟嘅啫，咁都係好簡單嘅。咁其實就係幾樣嘢啦。首先啦 ，GDP factor cost 嘛，係咪？嗱，首先咧我哋見到啦，我哋應該點樣計咧？首先我哋380啦，係嗱我哋 GDP 係點計先？GDP 係 C 加 I 加 G 加 X 減 M 啊嘛。嗱 ，private consumption expenditure 加呢個 即係 investment expenditure 加呢個 government consumption expenditure， 再加翻呢個 export， 減翻呢一個 import 啊嘛。咁呢個咧我未教到你嘅，但係你日後應該教咗噶啦。咁咧我哋只係需要將相應嘅一啲 element 即係擺翻入去咧，就可以計到噶啦。首先第一個呢個係唔係計落去係啦，因為呢個係 private consumption expenditure 450計唔計？計。好啦 ，gross domestic fixed capital formation 計。好啦 ，gross domestic fixed 啊嘛，咁我哋就要 fixed 咧，我哋就要搞埋佢嗰個change in inventory 啦，即係話佢嘅 stock 變咗幾多？因為咧佢少咗50啊，所以減50啦。咁我哋就解決咗個 fixed 噶啦。咁之後啦，因為subsidy 同 depreciation 咧，我哋咧 suppose 要加翻 subsidy 嘅。咁 depre 咧就唔使理佢啦。然後咧 total export 要加埋 total import 咧都係要減埋啦。direct tax 咧唔要嘅，因為淨係睇下先 direct tax 係啦，唔要嘅，因為我哋淨係要 indirect tax 嘅啫。係 indirect tax 嘅啫。咁所以咧，我哋加減減咧，好容易計到 C 嘅。係啦。咁我覺得幾個重點啦喺呢一度，之後都會再重複同你講多一次嘅啦。而家咧簡單講咧，就係因為佢 fixed 啦，所以你要搞埋佢嘅 decrease in stock 啦。咁因為佢係 factor cost，所以想知道咧佢成本價幾多。咁因為你而家嘅市價咧係應該俾咗一個subsidize 咗噶嘛。咁如果你要揾翻嗰個成本價，你咪加翻嗰個津貼，你就會揾到佢原本貴啲嗰個價係點嘅啦咁樣嘅。好啦。之後咧，我哋咧就去到24條啦。咁咧24條咧就佢話叫你話 study the diagram below，咁咧就話 diagram shows that during the period 2014去到2015咁樣啦。咁首先啦，你要睇一睇咧，好重要一樣嘢咧，就係你見到個 change in GDP deflator in percentage 啊。咁即係呢一度咧，呢一幅圖咧，其實係 show 緊一個disinflation 就唔係呢一個 deflation， 即係話咧佢嘅價格咧係應該係 increase 咯 ，in a decreasing rate， 但係咧佢嘅 price 即係佢嘅價格咧就唔係 decreasing。呢樣嘢你要 bear in mind 啦 ，right？ 好，咁咧我哋咧就會根據呢一個現有嘅資料咧，我哋就睇24條啦。好啦 ，A 啦，咁咧佢就話啦，個 nominal GDP is falling 啦。咁 nominal GDP 係受啲乜嘢影響啊 ？nominal GDP 咧係受個 price level 同埋個 output level 啊嘛，係咪？係受 both 呢個 price level 啦， 同埋呢個 output level。咁但係我哋知唔知 output level？我哋唔知啊。咁所以我哋可唔可以斷定話佢 falling 唔得？錯。好啦，D for boy 啦，佢話咧就 purchasing power 咧就係 increasing 㗎啦。點解佢會咁樣講啊？佢就係 fake 你咧，就係冇睇到呢個 percentage。你以為咧佢係跌緊個價格啊嘛？唔係啊，佢只係咧以一個慢啲嘅速度升嘅。所以咧佢 purchasing power 咧應該 decreasing 嘅，所以 B 咧仍然係錯啦。C 啦，佢就話咧呢一個嘅 growth rate of real GDP was higher than that of normal GDP。咁其實呢一個咧都係會錯嘅，因為咧你唔知道咧佢個 output level 嘛，你都唔會知佢哋兩者嘅增長率嘅。因為點解？因為咧你會知道咧by 一條式咧就 N 等於 I 加 R 嘛。nominal 嘅一啲 output 啦，或者 nominal 嘅任何嘢咧，係等於你個 inflation rate 咧，咁就係加翻你個 real 嘅一啲 output 嘅。咁而家我哋淨係知個 inflation rate 咧係跌緊啫嘛，係咪？咁我哋唔知其他兩嚿嘢本身係點嘅，咁所以我哋唔會知嘅，係 higher 定 lower 定等等嗰啲我哋唔清楚咯。係啊，好啦。咁咧個答案咧就會 D for dog 啦，24條。咁咧佢就話 the nominal interest rate was higher than that of realized real interest rate。咁咧我哋就會知道㗎，因為咧我哋會有嗰條費沙方程式嘅 Fisher equation 啦 ，nominal rate 等於 real interest rate 加呢個 inflation rate 嘛。咁啊 inflation rate 係正數啊，係啦，我哋知呢個係正數啊，咁我哋就會知道咧咁即係點啊？即係話好明顯咧 real 咧係會細過 nominal 啦，因為點解？因為 real 咧要加一嚿正數先會等於呢嚿嘢喎，咁呢嚿嘢咪本身係細過呢嚿嘢啊？係咪？好合理嘅。好啦，咁呢度咧就會係24條啦，咁我哋咧就去到25條啦。咁呢25條咧開始咧就係討論緊一啲我哋叫做 unemployment 嘅一啲 issue 啊。咁呢條咧就好簡單嘅，問你有啲乜嘢咧要 reduce 個 unemployment rate。好啦，我哋咧一樣啦，我哋 by definition 啦，我哋諗下 unemployment rate 咧，跟住識係點先？unemployment rate 咧即係 labour 咧即係呢個 force 啦 ，total working labour 啦，除翻呢個 unemployed 嘅 population。好簡單嘅啫，佢就話 some university graduate 咧就 join 咗呢一個labour force 啦。咁其實咧首先啦，你唔知咧嗰啲人咧會請定唔請噶嘛。咁咧嗱，佢對個分母咧嗰個影響咧一定係升噶啦。但係因為咧你唔知佢有幾多個人係會請，有幾多個人唔請，所以你唔知其實佢 unemployed 嘅 population 係升定跌嘅。所以 A 唔啱 boy 啦。boy 咧就由於其實咧some factories move to a neighbouring country 佢呢個 lower labouring cost 好簡單，就係會導致你老細嘅少咗嘛，你嗰啲 employer 係少咗噶嘛，咁你自然都會請少咗 employees 啦。咁其實咧你會導致咧失業嘅人口係會增加啦，失業嘅率咧都係會增加嘅，係啦。咁所以呢個係 increase 就唔係 reduce 啦。B 唔啱。好 C 啦，佢就 some unemployed workers give up seeking jobs 咁樣啦。咁其實咧答案就係 C 嘅，係啦。點解咧？因為咧當 unemployed person 啦 no longer find their job 咧，咁佢哋咧就唔係 unemployed person 啦，佢哋咧就會係 out of the labour force 添㗎啦。係啦，因為點解啊？因為咧嗱 definition of unemployed people 咧就係嗱，佢係冇一個 job 啦，但係咧佢係 willing and able to find a job 㗎嘛。嗱，如果你係 willing and able to find a job 咧，第一你就會喺個 labour force 度啦。咁如果你揾到一份工嘅，咁你咪就係 employed person 咯。如果你 willing and able to find a job but you can't find a job 嘅話，咁咪你係 unemployed 咯，係咪？好啦 ，in this case 佢話有一啲 unemployed workers 咧 give up seeking jobs。咁咧呢樣嘢咧係會導致啲咩咧？假設啦，有2個人咧係咁樣做啦。我哋本身有10個人失業啦，有100個 labour force，咁我失業率係咪10% 啊？ 好啦，而家啦，走咗兩個人啦，佢哋放棄咗啦，咁咪即係8除加8咯。咁咧8除加8啦，咁啊，我攞計數機計一計啊，8除98，你會見到咧係呢一個嘅誒8.1% 左右啦。咁咧佢嘅 unemployment rate 咧係會下降咗嘅，係啊。咁所以呢一個我覺得好簡單嘅，純粹普通計數嘅25題。好啦，咁25條咧，我見到你就話點解唔係 A 啊？係啊，點解唔係 A 就因為啦，都有句啦，你 join 咗 labour force 咧，你唔知佢會唔會請嘅，咁所以你唔可以話佢 A 啊，就係咁簡單。好啦26條啦，26條呢條你真係太簡單啦，都冇咩好講嘅。26條就問你 AD 幾時會跌啊？咁 AD 會跌咧，就只係有呢一個嘅 RRR rises 嘅啫，係啦。因為點解啊？因為咧 RRR rises 咧就會導致呢個 money supply 咧減少啊嘛。money supply 減少會導致呢個 interest rate 咧上升喎，導致呢個 investment 咧減少，導致呢個 AD 咧會減少嘅。係啦，點解啊？因為 money supply 嗰幅圖係點畫啊？咁咧我哋可以睇一睇咧 money supply 咧嗰幅圖咧，其實係咁樣，呢個係 MS 啦，呢個係 MD 啦，喐進呢度咧，呢個 interest rate 喎，係咁樣嘅一個做法嘅啫，係啦。所以咧我會覺得都幾簡單啦，冇話即係有啲咩太大嘅問題嘅。好，咁咧 let's move on 咧，就去到第27條啊。好啦，咁27條咧我哋都係睇一睇最尾一句啦。最尾一句咧就話 there will be an increase in 乜乜咁樣，我哋就會見到 increase in 乜乜啦。佢話 government 啊 build 咗呢個 new infrastructure，喂 infrastructure 關鍵字咧就係啲咩咧？關鍵字咧就係佢係 infrastructure，即係 long run AS 啊嘛，long run AS 嘅啲 increase 啊嘛。long run AS 咧，一咧就有 long run AS 2啦。咁咧我哋就睇下咧佢有啲乜嘢嘅一啲影響啦，係啦。咁同時啦，我哋會知道咧就係如果 the government builds 呢個 new infrastructure 咧，咁其實咧佢 investment 會 increase 啦，AD 咧 meanwhile 都會 increase 嘅。咁所以 AD 同 long run AS 兩個咧一齊 increase 啦。咁咧我哋會睇到啲咩咧？就係第一啦 employed population during the construction period 啦。呢個咧一定嘅，因為簡單嚟講，我哋 AD 多咗嘛。咁咧，如果我哋記得嘅話咧，我哋可以睇到下面呢個 output level。output level 咧，同時都係反映咗嗰個 employment rate 㗎嘛，係咪？即係我哋知道咧，有 inflationary gap 或者 deflationary gap 都係反映咗係個 labour market 佢嘅一啲 potential issue 啦。咁咧，我哋咧呢個位咧，我哋嗱見到 long run AS 同 AD 一齊喐咧，有啲乜嘢 uncertain 嘅 price level uncertain 㗎嘛，係咪？係啦，咁price level 咧係會 uncertain 啦。咁但係咧，佢都其實係會見到一個大嘅 increase 嘅，因為點解啊？因為咧等我睇睇先，係啦，我知㗎啦。因為咧嗱，我哋呢一個位咧，我哋都要睇嗰個 third 嘅嗱，during 嗰個 construction period 啊嘛，during 個 construction period 即係問你啦，咁棟樓起好未啊？棟樓未起好㗎，所以 long run AS 喐未啊？long run AS 未喐，係啦。所以咧簡單嚟講咧，我哋有兩幅圖嘅，一幅圖咧，我哋就叫做more likely 咧係一個 short term 嘅一個做法嚟嘅。應該咧就係 during the construction 就係咁樣啦。D 一咧就去咗AD 一咧就去咗 AD 二。 咁樣啦。咁咧你就會見到咧佢嘅 price level apparently 咧係升咗啦，因為 during 嘅 construction period 啊嘛。咁但係咧after 咧可唔可以 certain 到咧係唔得㗎？因為咧你會發現咧 after 咗嘅話咧，佢嗰個幅圖咧係會變咗咁樣嘅。所以咧其實long run AS 再加 AD 一齊喐咧，你係唔會知佢有冇個 price level 係會點樣 shift 啦，或者點樣變。咁所以呢個咧係個 uncertain 嚟嘅。好啦，去到28條啦。喂，28條好老實講，好簡單啊。咁咧佢就係只不過係俾咗啲所謂叫做 application 嘅題目嚟嘅啫。咁譬如話就係 the multiple entry permit 一簽多行啦 ，from the permanent Shenzhen resident to visit Hong Kong has been replaced by one trip per week cap。咁咧即係簡單嚟講呢樣嘢有啲咩啊？呢樣嘢就會導致旅客減少啦，就導致呢個 export of service 減少 ，AD 減少啦，咁然後 long run 呢個 price level 都會跌，即係都會跌嘅。咁所以好簡單嘅啫。咁答案咧就會係 boy 啦。咁咧我哋畫翻幅圖嘅啫。佢咧嗱，如果咧佢問到咧 in long run 嘅話咧，咁我哋一定要畫個 long run AS 啦。咁啊 AD 啦畫翻出嚟啦，係咪？咁 AD 由本身AD 一去 AD 二，sorry 調翻轉啦，AD 二去 AD 一啦。因為點解少咗呢一個嘅 export of service 啊？就係咁。好啦，去到第29條啊，29條啊，咁呢個咧就俾咗一個我哋叫做 money assets demand for money 咧嘅 curve 咧 decrease 咗。咁咧幾時咧係會 decrease 咗呢個 assets demand for money 咧？咁咧影響佢嘅因素嘅嘢咧就有好多啊。咁呢個咧我之後都會同你去到詳細度講嘅。但係咧你就要知道啦 ，assets demand for money 即係話我有幾多錢係擺落去啲 assets，即係我幾多錢係用一個 assets 嘅方式去到 store 住啦。即係話我啲錢我可以用 cash flow 啦，咁啊都可以用啲 assets 嘅方式㗎嘛。咁呢個位咧，佢就問你，有啲乜嘢咧？你就會將啲錢咧，盡量咧變翻做 cash，就唔係以一個 asset 嘅方式去 keep 咧。咁好明顯啦，幾時我會 keep 少咗 assets demand for money？就係啲 assets 開始有啲動盪啊，佢哋嘅 value 有啲喐嚟喐去啊，或者好唔穩定嘅時候咯，係咪？好啦 ，A 啦，佢話 the stock market becomes less volatile 啦，咁樣嘅。好啦，我咧啱啱咧就想有一個 clarification 啊，就係咧 assets demand for money 咧，即係話你 plan 去買一啲 assets 嘅錢啊 ，plan 去買 assets 嘅錢啊，咁即係話咧應該係啲 assets 咧越吸引咧。你係應該係個 MA 係越少㗎。點解啊？因為喂，咁而家啲assets 都咁好啦，你而家唔買，你幾時買咧？咁樣嘅，所以咧我哋應該要 look for 一個 option 咧，係show 到咧一個就係佢啲 assets 咧係呈現一個好轉嘅一個趨勢嘅。咁咧後面 A 就答案啦，因為咧點解？因為咧嗰個 stock market 啊個股票市場咧冇咁多起伏嘅時候咧，咁你做一啲投資嘅時候咧係會有一個 more guarantee 嘅 return 噶嘛 ，right？咁所以咧你喺呢個時候咧就應該要買啦。好啦。boy 啦，佢就話啦 the general price level 咧expect to fall 啦。其實咧 general price level 咧係唔會影響呢一個嘅 assets demand for money 嘅。On the other hand 咧，其實佢只係會影響呢個 transaction demand for money 嘅啫，係啦，所以唔關事啦。Central bank 咧 raises 個 discount rate 咧，其實就只係會影響呢一個嘅 money supply 嘅啫。就唔會影響呢一個 money demand 嘅。好啦，咁呢一個嘢就唔關事啦，呢樣完全唔關事。好，30條啦，開始咧進入咗呢一個好簡單嘅題目啦。咁我哋咧喺呢個位咧 pause 啦，咁都可以俾你唞一唞嘅。